Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 14. I just want to issue a reminder first though. Your APA paper is due January 15th by end of day, and that's tomorrow. Make sure you have your paper done by tomorrow, end of day, and submit it to Blackboard. After that, we're going to jump into week 14. It's about self-improvement. What can you do to improve yourself, become a better communicator? You have one short lecture, and then you also have an article, which I think is great, from Harvard Business Review. You can take a look at that. Of course, that's not my property. I've just found it, and it's open and available on the internet. And then further, you have a mini assignment that's due. So you're going to write a one-page document that talks about the challenges that you've worked on throughout the semester in regards to communication and what you could do to continue to improve on those challenges. Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. It's going to be a pretty short chapter, and then next week we're going to work on review for the final exam. Reach out if you need anything. I look forward to working with you, and I'm thankful for the work so far, and I'm looking forward to reading your paper. Thanks so much.